Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video we are working on Scion XB 2005, and the problem is the AC turns off while driving. It blows, but sometimes it turns off and on, and
blows warm air.
Yeah, it blows warm air.
Cold,
and
super cold. Then hot air kind of.
It's not the pump itself, because we replaced the new pump, AC pump, but right now we are replacing the expansion valve.
This is the new one.
This is the new one. It goes right over there. We're replacing all the seals and stuff like that. Then we will have to remove the bumper and replace the sock inside the radiator. So let's do this. Okay, so we'll lubricate the seal.
And when it goes in, nothing happens.
Okay, so we'll lubricate the inside too.
So I don't, nothing happens to the rubber thing. Over there. And then I'm going to finish. I'm going to the bolt. And then the rest go over time. And there's the switch. Going in. Okay. The biggest one, so it goes, the spring goes on top.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, we use this tool, the T-type. We tie it by hand. So make sure you install the new seals.
The old ones are black.
Black, and the new ones are green.
Yeah, the new ones are green. Then we will use the color now. There we go.
Okay.
How do you open this? Look at this. See that hook right there?
Yeah.
You push it right here with the 2 pins. You push it in, but I was using just 1 pin and 1 just fine. I use it right there. I use it like that. I stick it in there. I pushed it, and then it opened. Or I guess you can use 2 pins go underneath to push that thing down.
Okay.
Yeah, so pretty easy.
Let's put it on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on right now. There we go, just like that, and it holds it just fine. go. That goes back on there. That's it. That simple. In order to remove that and replace that expansion valve, you have to unbolt this bolt, then the bolt right there, on the mounting bracket, the engine mounting bracket, right here, and then everything will be loose, and then you will be able to unlock, open these, and remove.
Okay. Okay, so we suspect that this is the bad, what is it called, expansion valve, because we see
There is some piece of, there is a piece that moves.
the
You
move.
can see. Here, see, here we go. We close the spring completely now.
So
see?
we think it's a bad
See,
expansion
there's
valve
something loose in there.
that's
On the
causing
other,
the
I didn't see it. On the other
it's
one.
causing this issue. So we will see
Maybe
after
that's the issue, I'm not sure,
replacing
but
it.
we had to-
So I'm removing the bumper right now. And then we also remove it from here. Okay guys, so for this right here we use impact gun, otherwise you cannot remove them because this bends like stuff like that. So it's better to use an impact gun for these to remove, but right here for the radiator itself we used impact gun as well, but it broke off the bolt, and even though we used this wrench to remove the bottom one, it broke off as well. So we will have to buy a new radiator and install it, so we will not be replacing the suck right here because the radiator itself is like $50 on online, but if you get it in a store it's like $200. So we will just, because this suck itself is like worth $40 in the store, so it's better to return it and replace the whole radiator, and you will get the new seals over here as well. So we replaced the new condenser or whatever it's called. So, and make sure you get the right one because
This
the
vehicle particular had a smaller condenser, and the other one.
we
Yeah,
have
we have
same
bigger.
year vehicles, but I have a bigger one, longer one, and I'm gonna show you right now. Like this one, you can see it's longer, like this much longer. So and the connection is different right here. So make sure you get the right one. This one is more expensive, and that one is cheaper, like 20 bucks. Okay, so you wanna replace the new seals on this one before installing because it may leak.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the old one.
And also,
Okay.
okay, he wants to use the old one because it's still good. He
It's
says,
still good.
but on mine it's already leaking, so
Yeah,
I
so
will be
you
replacing
replace
on
it.
mine.
Mine doesn't leak.
So it was kind of hard to install it in here.
We found the
We
bolts.
had to like press it inside there, and then because these bolts don't come off, or maybe they do, but I don't know how.
They're
but
stuck for some reason.
They stuck right there,
Is that what was
So-
supposed to go off? Look, this
and then
thing.
we have to.
I think that thing there needs to come off, bro.
Okay, so we actually removed that bolt. It was
It's a special
It
bolt.
was stuck. Now we're gonna use
This
anti-seize.
was
This
glued to
stuff
that.
was
This time we're gonna use anti-seize
it,
just to make sure that it won't seize anymore.
it seized
Because I'm tired and sick of that.
because this bolt has to go inside there, and that part actually came out together with this bolt. So. so this has to be pushed inside.
So I can
Down.
push this down. We need to heat it.
Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so we use these kind of pliers to lift it up like that.
There we go. It came out.
That out.
Here we go. So now I'm gonna remove that. Take it out. Take that thing out. The previous one.
New bolts. And we use anti-seize.
Yeah, this time we're using an anti-seize because
So
yeah,
they
it was
don't
seized
get
up.
stuck
Show
in
on the
there.
radiator, on that condenser. Show them.
Yes.
On the other side especially, we'll broke off. It's all stuck in there.
Okay, so we're not gonna replace this seal either because it's still
Because it
good.
looks good. Looks good.
Just lubricate it with oil and put it
Go in
inside.
there.
And use a new bolt. Put the bolt in and just use hand tight.
Just to start, yep. And then you're going to secure that in place. That's it. Secure this one in place. That's it.
Okay, and so now we can just put everything together and fill up the system, and let's see what it can do. Will the problem actually be solved or not? Okay guys, so we replaced that thing, the controller or whatever, and the radiator, or forgot what it's called. But that's not the problem. The problem was still present, and the problem was actually with the pump again. You will not believe this, but you can see like this is wobbling right here. I guess maybe the clutch went bad or something. So when we give like 4,000 RPMs, it will just turn off. It will just fail, and then sometimes it will turn on again and stuff like that. So we replaced it with a new one and the problem is gone. So guys, if this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.